Continuous integration is a development practice that requires developers to integrate code into a shared repository like GitHub, CodeCommit, GitLab, Bitbucket, or whatever. So, into a shared repository several times a day. Each check-in is then verified by automated build, allowing team to detect problems early. By integrating regularly, you can detect errors quickly and locate them more easily. With CI, a developer practices integrating the code changes continuously with the rest of the team. The integration happens after a git push, usually to master branch, more on this later. Then in a dedicated server, an automated process builds the application and runs a set of tests to confirm that the newest code integrates with what currently in the master branch. If you are doing CI and for some reason the integration fails, that means the broken build becomes the highest priority to fix before continuing to add more features. System quality, not just velocity, is important. CI works in three simple stages: push, test, and fix. But despite this simplicity, CI might become challenging if only a few members of the team practice it. Consequently, CI also requires change in culture and support from management. Now for the CD or continuous delivery, actually there is something else which is continuous deployment. Now what is the difference between continuous delivery and continuous deployment? We will handle it right away. Continuous delivery or CD is a practice of automating the entire software releases process. The idea is to do CI plus automatically prepare and track release to production. The desired outcome is that anyone with sufficient privileges to deploy a new release can do so at any time, in one or few clicks. By eliminating nearly all manual tasks, developers become more productive. The continuous delivery process typically includes at least one manual step of approving and initiating a deploy to production. In complex systems with multiple dependencies, the continuous delivery pipeline may include additional steps which are either manual or automatic. For the continuous deployment is a step up from continuous delivery in which every change in the source code is deployed to production automatically without explicit approval from a developer. So a developer's job typically ends at reviewing the pull request from a teammate and merging it to the master branch. Then the CI/CD service takes over from there, and by running all the tests and deploying the code to production, while keeping the team informed about the outcome of every important event. Well, actually, continuous deployment requires a highly developed culture of monitoring, being on call, and having the capacity to recover quickly.